How to enable full screen caller ID on iPhone. Here's how to enable full screen caller ID using contact posters. First, open the Contacts app or the Phone app on your iPhone and select the contact you want to update. Then tap Edit below the contact photo or on the top right corner. Tap on Add Photo. Next, create or customize the contact poster. You can choose a photo, memoji, or another supported style. Then tap on Next. Adjust the image, reposition it for the best look, customize the font and colors if you'd like, then tap Choose. And tap on Done and save your changes. Now, if incoming calls still appear as a small banner while you're using your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Phone, then tap on Incoming Calls. Change the option from banner to full screen. From now on, when that contact calls you, their contact poster will appear in full screen. To get the same experience for other people, you'll need to create a contact poster for each contact individually. Keep in mind that contact posters require iOS 16 or later. If you're using an older version of iOS, this feature won't be available. And that's it. Your iPhone will now display full-screen caller photos for supported contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and how-to guides.